Okay, so hi everyone. Today we're gonna open this cake surprise. We will rather get pink, blue, or purple. We got pink slime inside a bag. And now let's see what cake we get. We got a pink cake.